अब सडनली अब आप बोल रहे हो कि नहीं नहीं हमें इंश्योरेंस नहीं बेचना है, हमें लोगों को राइट एडवाइस देना है.
The customer should be little smart that he's going through this process where he's solving two problems. Why does a Mukesh Ambani can insure an insurance company, right? Every insurance platform is not giving you recommendations. XYZ advisor I bought a policy from, but that person did not help me at the time of claim. My claims got rejected because he did not fill the form properly. The idea of Beshak has always been that how do we bring the right truth and advice to the customer.
Hi guys, welcome back to one more podcast. Today's podcast is going to be very interesting because we are going to ask some very hard-hitting questions to Mahavir. Why? Because from all the podcasts that we have done, we have got a lot of messages on DM and even on our comment section that this is too good to be true. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है कि कंपनी जो है वो कस्टमर के लिए इतना काम कर रही है और अपने बारे में बाद में सोच रही है. And to answer all these questions, I have listed them down. In fact, I called up Mahavir and I was asking him, इसका क्या जवाब दूँ DM पे. And then I realized, क्यों नहीं इसका एक वीडियो बना लेते हैं. And therefore, all these questions can be answered at once. So stay with us and top 10 questions coming up right now. Hi Mahavir, how are you doing? So thank you for doing this podcast. ये actually podcast was never planned in terms of the series that we wanted to do, but it was very important because everybody wanted to know that क्या सच में ऐसा हो सकता है? Is it really possible that एक कंपनी है जो इंश्योरेंस का एग्रीगेट नहीं करती है, जो इंश्योरेंस जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल डिटो है या डिजिट है तो इंश्योरेंस भी नहीं बेचती है और फिर भी बोल रही है कि नहीं हम कस्टमर फर्स्ट पॉलिसी पे काम करेंगे, विच एक्चुअली इज मैं ऐसा बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा बट एज इंडियंस हमारे साथ बहुत कम बार हुआ है ये.
Right.
Yes. So your view on this, that all the questions and why did you agree to this? Because most of the brand that I work with, yes, in the past also, they would not want to do a podcast which is very transparent and which is very on the face and answering questions because a lot of XYZ reasons. So why did you first agree to do this?
Basically, Karan, ऐसा है कि for us, we want to make a company where we don't have to hide anything, right? And we really don't have anything to hide. So when you asked me these questions and then you said that let's do a video on this, the truth is that we have nothing to hide, right? When you have nothing to hide, तो आपको then you don't have the worry to basically come on camera and answer questions about our model, to give clarity about what we are trying to do. ये बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रगल है एक्चुअली हमारे लिए और एक्चुअली ये आपने जो बेसिकली द थिंग दैट यू ब्रॉट इनटू प्लेस इज समथिंग विच इज़ अ वेरी बिग स्ट्रगल फॉर अस इन अ कंट्री लाइक इंडिया जहाँ पे ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट बहुत हाई है. लोगों ने बहुत चोट खाई है, लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा चीटिंग का ये किया है, तो उनको लगता है कि इतना सच कैसे हो सकता है, इतना कैसे ट्रू हो सकता है, इज़ अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम. इनफैक्ट वी आर नॉट एबल टू actually convince people a lot of times that what we are trying to do is in the 100% best interest for the customer. The major problem is this only because they are feeling that नहीं ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, something तो कुछ तो है.
I'll tell you something about myself. Yes, right. I've been using cars for now 15-20 years. Yeah? This was the last year that I had the first claim on my car. Okay, गाड़ी खड़ी थी पार्किंग में और कोई माल अनलोड कर रहा था और उससे माल गिर गया गाड़ी के ऊपर और पूरा बोनेट दब गया. जीरो डेप ही लिया है हमेशा, ठीक है. अब मेरे दिमाग में क्लियर था कि जीरो डेप इज नॉट जीरो डेप, मतलब ये बिल तो आएगा ही इसका.
करेक्ट.
बट व्हेन द कार वेंट टू द होंडा शोरूम, दे रिपेयर्ड इट एवरीथिंग, मेड इट ब्रांड न्यू स्पैंकी एंड दे गिव द बिल ऑफ 1000 रुपीज. क्लो जो बेसिक 1000 रुपीज होता है,
दैट इज द डिडक्टेबल.
आई कुड नॉट बिलीव इट. मैंने बोला हाँ सच में जीरो डेप होता है.
Absolutely.
सो आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन दैट आपने 15-16 साल आपने एक एज अ इंश्योरेंस सेलिंग पर्सन, यस, कोर पर्सन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंपनीज में काम किया आपने.
करेक्ट.
बट अब सडनली अब आप बोल रहे हो कि नहीं हमें इंश्योरेंस नहीं बेचना है, हमें लोगों को राइट एडवाइस देना है कि कौन सा इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहिए. तो व्हाई दिस absolute shift or a 360 degree U-turn in terms of a choice of being where you want to be?
Absolutely. So what happened is that over the years बहुत सारे मॉडल्स एक्सपेरिमेंट किए मैंने, राइट. आई गॉट टू fortunately work with really good companies with really good people. What I realized after doing everything is that distribution as a setup has to a certain extent has become a problem instead of being a solution to the problem, right? It has become a part of the problem. I'll explain this in a little more detailed manner. Is that there are two aspects of distribution जो में हम agent बोलते हैं या हम उसको basically seller बोलते हैं सबसे easy language में. कोई भी इंश्योरेंस सेलर होता है उसका जो पूरा रेवेन्यू है वो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से आता है और वो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से टच में रहता है। ये जो दो पार्ट है विच इज़ वन इज दैट बेसिकली अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर और एन एजेंट is getting commission from a specific insurance company, plus that the fact that they are continuously in connection with that insurance company, this creates influence, right?
Correct.
और ये as a person who comes with a strong level of integrity that I feel I have, where I felt that no, I want to do really good for the customers. I was not able to do this in all my previous setups, right? Because at one point in time, a distributor has a goal in terms of certain amount of sales to be done. They have a goal of certain amount of revenue which is commission to be earned. They have a influence of the insurance company saying that, oh, you know what, sell this plan, sell this rider, sell this, and you keep talking to them and you do get influenced by the manufacturer. ये मैंने खुद के साथ होते हुए देखा, राइट? कि मैं शुरू किया था बोल के कि नहीं मैं तो सब कस्टमर के लिए करूँगा और मेरा gradually I could see my values getting diluted. I could see that, and things which were customer centric when I started off were not customer centric by the time when I basically scaled the business to, let's say, 2 years 3 years down the line.
And plus of course उसमें commissions होंगे, उसके अंदर incentives होंगे,
right,
कि इतनी पॉलिसी बेची तो आपको X चीज़ मिलेगा,
exactly,
Y चीज़ मिलेगा. So somewhere it gets influences is the starting point of
absolutely. तो when I saw that, what I figured out is that एक customer है, एक simple customer है, उसको अपनी family के लिए एक insurance खरीदना है, and now that person is basically looking at buying insurance. First thing that he sees is that oh my god, this is so complicated, and he feels that ये I cannot understand this on my own.
Correct.
Then he wants to depend on a distributor or an insurance agent, like we want to say, and if that insurance agent is influenced, then the advice that he is getting is not something which is dependable. तो ना वो खुद से पॉलिसी समझ सकता है ना वो इस इंश्योरेंस एजेंट पे डिपेंड कर सकता है because there is a clear influence. So where does a customer go for a complicated product like this? Like for example, I am dealing with a lawyer, and if I come to know that the lawyer is actually on the other side, right? I am fighting a case against you, Karan, let's say, और मैं लॉयर को फीस दे रहा हूँ और मुझे लॉयर को फीस देते हुए समझ रहा है यार ये तो करण किस अगेंस्ट केस लड़ना है, बट मुझे क्यों लग रहा है करण के साथ चाय पीता है मेरे साथ,
correct,
you know, he goes and has tea with him. I've seen him playing tennis with Karan yeah day before yesterday.
Correct.
So how do I trust this guy, right?
Correct.
So that is the same problem, and it is a very complicated thing. मेरे को केस लड़ना खुद से आता नहीं. I don't know how to fight a case myself. I have to go to a lawyer, and if I know that lawyer is a friend
of Karan only,
so how will I ever be able to then now should I not fight a case?
नहीं वो तो
I have
करना ही
to file a
पड़ेगा.
case. Then I need to find someone who is not a friend of that person.
Correct.
Whom I am filing a case against.
Correct.
Similarly, we are trying to be that person who will be the friend of the customer and not of the insurance company very clearly, right? And we are basically paying a price for this, right? I am basically saying no to revenues from the person who has the highest amount of money bags in this entire industry, right?
Yes.
To just solve a simple problem कि कस्टमर आया मेरी फैमिली को कवर करो और उसको तभी कोई भी टाइप का क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये जो पर्सन है जो मुझे बताएगा कि ये प्लान लेना है कि नहीं लेना है उसका कोई भी वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट है कि कमीशन की वजह से दोस्ती की वजह से
करेक्ट
ये प्लान बेचा जा रहा है ना कि मुझे ये प्लान बेचा जा रहा है कि मेरी खुद की रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए.
So then one more question comes to my mind, and of course it was asked to me also on the DM.
Correct.
See, तो आप पैसे कैसे कमाते हो?
Right.
पैसा तो कमाना ही पड़ेगा.
Absolutely.
नॉन प्रॉफिट तो हो नहीं.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
So how do you make money then?
Yeah, so basically ये हमने how did we build Beshak, right? So we decided that entrepreneurs are little foolish people, right? मतलब sometimes
Till the time they don't make it big, then everybody says हाँ ये तो मैं जानता था हमेशा.
Correct. So we felt that this problem has to be solved, right? And if this problem has to be solved, we have to leave money on the table that an insurance company gives us, right? So first we put constraints, saying that ये तो हम नहीं करेंगे, ये तो हम नहीं करेंगे, ये तो हम नहीं करेंगे. अब कैसे पैसे कमाना है वो करना पड़ेगा. Like you rightly said, we are not a not-for-profit. Our name does make a lot of people confused about that, but we are not a not-for-profit. We are we are a company for profit, right? We are not profitable, but we are a company for profit. So the point is that we first looked at not having constraints, and second then we said that okay, then how do we basically make money? So one thing that we understood is that while we were doing a lot of research, right, we understood that this research is something which is very valuable, and a lot of people and companies want to use this research, right? कि जैसे हम बहुत ही डीप जाते हैं एक इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट में टू अंडरस्टैंड एग्जैक्टली हाउ दैट प्रोडक्ट वर्क्स, सेंटेंस बाय सेंटेंस हम उसको एनालाइज करते हैं. दैट इज वन पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड वी डू दिस फॉर मोर देन 200 प्रोडक्ट्स इन द कंट्री टुडे, राइट?
Okay.
Similarly, we actually buy products, right, to understand what is the experience of buying, right?
Example.
We एक्चुअली पॉलिसी खरीदते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज एक इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है, उसने एक पॉलिसी बनाई है, राइट? वो बोल रहा है कि मेरी सबसे बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरा तो यूजर एक्सपीरियंस सबसे बेस्ट है. हम बोलते चेक करते हैं, राइट? तो हम एक्चुअली अंडर कवर पॉलिसीज खरीदते हैं, राइट?
Okay.
वी गो ऑनलाइन, we enter details as a customer and we buy those policies to see what is the experience of buying the policy. We ask questions before buying the policy, whether the call center is able to answer those questions or not. While buying the policy, how is the user experience, उसको पूरा record करते हैं.
हाँ.
When the policy is getting delivered, एक insurance company बोलती है कि मैं तो तुरंत policy दे देता हूँ,
हाँ.
right? But actually do they give the policy? They say that my toll free number is available from 8 to 8 Monday to Sunday,
हाँ.
right? Whether it actually works. All these things
अच्छा.
we test.
Okay.
अगर मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बन जाता, अगर मैं एजेंट बन सकता,
हाँ.
और मैं बन जाता, सॉरी,
हाँ.
तो ये सब चीजें मैं नहीं कर सकता. my entire focus would have been
Sales,
to
sales,
create a
sales.
platform where customers can come and buy, right? There's nothing wrong with it, but it does not solve a problem for the customer कि actually ये प्रोडक्ट काम करता है कि नहीं करता है.
हाँ.
एक्चुअली ये चीज स्टोरी क्या है, वो एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कुछ कुछ चीजें बताना भी चाहता है अबाउट एन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. दे आर नॉट एबल टू से दैट बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टीपल रीजंस. द रिलेशनशिप दैट दे हैव विद एन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, द रेगुलेशन आल्सो डज नॉट अलाउ सम थिंग्स टू बी सेड. बट वी वांटेड टू बी,
भी होंगे,
contractual agreements भी होते हैं. So we wanted to be a company which is fearless, right? Where we don't have to worry about कि कौन क्या बोल रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, मेरा कमीशन कम हो जाएगा, मेरे को एड रेवेन्यू नहीं मिलेगा, मुझे सिर्फ कस्टमर को सच बताना है.
हाँ.
How do I do that, right? So we created this platform. Now this data and the content that we create, this content we license to insurance platforms, insurance companies, but that is not a marketing tie-up. Right?
Okay.
We basically do that in a way that this is intelligence available with us. You can use this intelligence.
Okay.
Right? This is something that we do. And the second thing that we do is that in our platform, we allow customers to connect with insurance advisors.
Okay.
Right? We charge the insurance advisor a fee.
Okay.
Right? Where the advisor basically for listing, for basically getting connected to customers, pays us money. Right? For the customer, everything
Correct.
is free. For us, we make money from these two places,
It is
licensing our content.
as good as Amazon पे जब भी एक सेलर होता है,
Absolutely.
वो अगर फॉर एग्जांपल मैं उससे जाके कुर्ता खरीदता हूँ,
Correct.
तो वो कुर्ते का प्राइस 600 रुपए,
Correct.
मुझे 600 रुपए का गिरा.
Right.
अब उसमें से Amazon भी उससे लिस्टिंग फीस लेगा,
Right.
और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का फीस लेगा, लेट्स से 150 रुपीस.
Right.
So that is the model that
Absolutely. So there are two ways we are making revenue. One is that we license our research, our content, our intelligence with insurance companies and insurance platforms. But this does not have any marketing, advertising, any link ups. This only helps insurance companies make better products, improve their experience,
Huh.
give them more information about what customers want. That is one part. And the second part is we are like an Amazon for insurance agents, where customers come, they
Correct.
can talk to an insurance agent, buy a policy from the insurance agent. Whenever they buy a policy from an insurance agent, like how a seller will pay an Amazon, we get paid by the insurance agent or the insurance advisor.
तो अभी एक थोड़ा कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट लगा मुझे, वेयर यू सेड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स के पास मत जाओ, और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स कैन नॉट सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम दैट एग्जिस्ट टुडे इन द मार्केट.
Correct.
बट यू आर आल्सो कनेक्टिंग पीपल टू एजेंट्स ओनली,
Right.
हु आर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स ऑफ द इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज.
Right, right.
तो ये थोड़ा ऑक्सीमोरॉन या काउंटर इंट्यूटिव नहीं है ये पॉइंट?
Correct. No, absolutely. These are things that we keep getting asked, and that's why it's good that you are also asking it, and we can basically probably record it, and I can keep sending this video to people next time when they ask
Next
this
time somebody
question.
asks you.
So our main thought process here is that advice and advisor are two different problems that are required to be solved in the insurance space. Advice should be completely unbiased, not influenced by insurance companies. जहाँ से आपको पता चलेगा कौन सा प्रोडक्ट लेना है, कितना कवर लेना है, whether 1 crore is enough, 2 crores is enough, 85 तक टर्म इंश्योरेंस लेना है कि 65 तक लेना है, ये एडवाइस का पार्ट है. दिस पार्ट देयर इज नो influence that an insurance company can have with Beshak at all, right? So that is one part of the business. The other part of the business solves another problem that a customer has कि मैंने पॉलिसी खरीद रहा हूँ, मैं फॉर्म भरना कैसे है.
हाँ.
मुझे क्वेश्चन ऐसे पूछे जा रहे हैं कि आप एकदम बड़ा क्वेश्चन है, ऐसे 3 लाइन का क्वेश्चन होता है. आप हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस खरीदेंगे, इफ यू बाय अ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस और इफ यू बाय अ टर्म इंश्योरेंस, देयर आर क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर लाइक 2 lines, 3 lines
हाँ.
that are asked. a normal person who's buying a policy and wanting to cover their family does not know how to do that.
Correct.
So they are stuck. They feel that, okay, how do I answer these questions? You need an expert who can tell you how to answer these questions, what questions to ask the customer, and get information to ensure that it gets captured properly in a proposal form that is going to the insurance company for policy issuance. It's a very, very important thing to do. आपके 50% claim जो cancel होते हैं, जो नहीं pay होते हैं, is happening because of this, how a proposal form is filled.
Correct.
Right? So this is a service that a technology cannot provide, unfortunately. It has to be provided by an expert. Right? Second है, आपने policy खरीद लिया, अभी आपको कुछ problems आ रही हो policy में. So you yourself have to call the toll-free number. In India, it is we know as a fact that it is very difficult to solve थोड़ा भी डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन टोल फ्री. अगर आपको कुछ छोटा मोटा चीज़ करना है तो हो जाता है, बट थोड़ा भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा तो वो ब्रांच ऑफिस आओ. कस्टमर के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है, सो दे नीड एन एक्सपर्ट देयर ऑल्सो. द थर्ड एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज भाई क्लेम्स. राइट, क्लेम्स के टाइम पे वेरी क्लियरली एन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज नॉट ऑन योर साइड. राइट, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कैन नॉट बी ऑन योर साइड. राइट, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज ऑन द साइड ऑफ द shareholder. Insurance company is on the side of the insurance company. Right? You need someone on your side जिसको फर्क पड़ता है आपका क्लेम नहीं पे होगा तो, जिसका अगर आपका क्लेम नहीं पे होगा then that person's goodwill also will fall.
उसका भी नाम खराब होगा.
You know, XYZ advisor I bought a policy from, but that person did not help me at the time of claim. My claims got rejected because he did not fill the form properly, did not give the details properly, very slow. Right? So that advisor, that expert is required at the time of claims for two things. One, to ensure that the paperwork happens properly, to ensure that basically any kind of issues that come are resolved properly, and second, if there is a dispute, insurance company says nahi hai payable, whom do you go to at that time? Right? That agent, if that expert is an expert of the quality that we have on our platform, will help that person say that boss, this actually is payable, I will fight for you. Right? So these three things that an insurance agent can solve cannot be solved by technology. So what we did is we said एडवाइस भी चाहिए, एडवाइजर भी चाहिए, बट ये दोनों अलग अलग चाहिए. तो एडवाइस जो है दैट कम्स फ्रॉम आर टेक्नोलॉजी, आर रिसर्च, हेल्प्स द कस्टमर डिसाइड विच प्रोडक्ट टू बाय, हाउ मच टू बाय, व्हाट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन टू बाय. दैट एडवाइजर इज नॉट इन्वॉल्वड इन.
ओके,
एडवाइजर कम्स इनटू प्लेस कि एक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन बन गया है कि ये चीज़ें लेनी है, इतना इतना लेना है. नाउ यू नीड एन एक्सपर्ट टू टेक यू फॉरवर्ड इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इंश्योरेंस एंड इंश्योर दैट यू नेविगेट प्रॉपरली इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इंश्योरेंस. और वो आप खुद करने जाएंगे तो उसमें कुछ ना कुछ मिस्टेक होने का बहुत ज़्यादा चांस है. सो दैट्स वाई यू नीड अ हैंड होल्डिंग फ्रॉम अ रियली गुड एक्सपर्ट, एंड दैट्स वाई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स आर नॉट बैड पीपल. राइट, वॉट वी जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू सॉल्व इज दैट जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हेल्प करे कस्टमर को, दैट इज गुड, but they don't get their own vested interest around basically a certain relationship with an insurance company or a certain commission percent with an insurance company coming in the way of a customer wanting to buy a good policy. That's why advice or advisor, we have divided it very very perfectly to ensure the customer gets best of the both worlds.
लेकिन ये जो जैसे एजेंट्स, यस, अभी क्या है कि LIC जब आया था तो उसने सबको एजेंट, हर फैमिली में 3-4 एजेंट अवेलेबल है. यस, मेरे बिल्डिंग में भी कोई ना कोई ये काम कर रहा है एजेंट. करेक्ट. अब हाउ डज बेशक actually vet these agents when you say, you know, we have the best or the trusted or the ones that are vetted by us? How do you do that? What is the process of that?
Right.
Can you share that?
Absolutely, this is a very good question. In fact, very very evolved people, even investors we have spoken to, they said that what is this concept of a good agent? They have only known agents to be people who are chipkao policies to customers, right? कि agent तो मतलब salesman है, right? But our knowledge that we had, we knew that there is a good percentage of a community of advisors available who want to do good for the customers, create goodwill, and then based on that make a lot of business, right? So we were always looking out for such people because we knew such people are available. So our process is very simple. First, we have a detailed product test. It is a very very difficult test that only I think 25% people pass. Right? If 100 people give the test, only 25% people pass that test.
तो अगर मुझे बेशक पे लिस्ट होना है
as an agent, correct,
तो मुझे पहले एग्जाम देनी है.
Yes, it is a proctored test जहाँ पे आपका वीडियो कैप्चर हो रहा है and you are giving that test. You cannot move anywhere. Even if you move your eyes somewhere else, it will stop. Right? That kind of proctored test happens. An advisor has to give that kind of test and pass that test. And it's not very easy to pass that test. मतलब एग्जाम्पल जो मैंने दिया है आपको कि 100 people applying, 25 people are only able to pass that test.
Okay.
Sometimes people have given the test twice to pass, right? So that is one thing. The other is basically that after this happens, there is a proper Q&A that happens within our company from the first screening team, right? The first screening team will try to understand whether the person has minimum 5 years of experience, whether that person has claims experience, whether there are enough customers that their customer has actually, the advisor has actually had an experience with. Like अगर किसी के पास सिर्फ 10 कस्टमर है तो उतना एक्सपीरियंस ही लिमिटेड है फॉर देम टू बी एबल टू एक्सपीरियंस गिव दैट share that experience with their new customers, right?
Correct.
So we don't deal with those kind of advisor. If there is an advisor who's hardcore LIC or money back policies wala agent, we basically screen them out. We don't allow them to be
why
sold.
would you?
So that is where in my view, that is where the vested interest is the heaviest, right? Because उसमें कैसा है कि अगर आप सिर्फ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस और टर्म इंश्योरेंस बेच रहे हो और आप प्रॉबेबली उसके साथ साथ म्यूचुअल फंड बेच रहे हो तो फिर भी ठीक है. But if you are selling those products which are very low interest or ROI for the customer and commissions are very high, then you are in a habit of selling those kind of products to customers, and your selling of health insurance or term insurance is only a method of entering into the customer's life. Right? आपको बेचना है 2 लाख रुपए का पॉलिसी जिसमें आपको 40% कमीशन मिलेगा, राइट? और ये वाले वो एडवाइजर्स होते हैं जिनको लगता है कि यार 20,000 का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस बेच के उसमें 25% कम है, 5,000 रुपये मिल रहा है और उसके लिए मैं एक मीटिंग करूँ, मैं रिक्शा में जाऊँ, मेरा खर्चा वो सब नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे से.
10 बार क्वेश्चन पूछेगा. हाँ, कल सुबह क्लेम आया तो मेरे को वो फोन करेगा.
इसमें क्लेम्स बहुत आते हैं.
हाँ, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस में क्लेम तो मुझे उसके साथ जाना पड़ेगा, बैठना पड़ेगा.
एग्जैक्टली. सो ये वो जो इंडियन मुंबई की लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं मगजमारी वाला बिजनेस है ये, राइट? एंड नोबडी वांट्स टू डू दैट बिजनेस, एंड दीज पीपल, एंड विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, these people who are largely selling heavy money back policies and LIC type of policies are not basically people who are interested in those kind of policies, because इसमें बहुत मोटा माल है और मगजमारी कम है, right? Versus ये जो side of the story है, जो term insurance, health insurance वाली story है, जहाँ पे you clearly see that there is a lot of मगजमारी, commission is less, but you are actually giving a product to a customer which he needs, right? So there are two communities. In our view, when we have gone and done our own tracking, we have seen there are two types of advisors. So we find those kind of advisors. So that is the second. And then there is a third interview round, which is done by a selection committee, right? The selection committee will include someone who's a very senior person in the company. I have done screenings where I do interviews. My other co-founders, like Ayush is another co-founder who's the head of research also, he does interviews. And there are some senior members in the company, they do an interview, and this is a little rigorous kind of an interview. There very difficult questions are asked to the advisor to understand 3 things. One is his knowledge, the second is his philosophy, customer philosophy, how does he think. Third is the process, right? कि वो process कैसे follow करता है to ensure that everything is managed properly, like record management कैसा है उसका, उसकी टीम में कौन कौन है, क्लेम्स अगर आएगा तो अगर वो अवेलेबल नहीं है, कश्मीर घूमने चले गए सर, तो कौन मैनेज करेगा क्लेम्स. वो सब क्वेश्चंस वी आस्क. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मैं कस्टमर बन के उनको पूछ रहा हूँ कि ये सब बताओ, ये बताओ, ये बताओ, ये बताओ. ओनली व्हेन दे गो थ्रू ऑल दिस is when they can get onboarded on a platform.
So I think जो मैंने बोला था वो थोड़ा सा मैं उसको modify करना चाहूँगा. This is not like an Amazon, but this is more like a screened kind of an Amazon, because Amazon पे कोई भी seller बन सकता है. आपने GST नंबर दिया, प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट किया, कर दिया. बट इसमें ऐसा नहीं है, because that agent comes and says कि मैं आपको 20% कमीशन दे दूंगा, एग्जाम्पल. तो आप बोलोगे हाँ वेरी गुड, आइए चाय पीजिए और काम चालू कीजिए. नो, फर्स्ट he has to go through he or she has to go through all the steps, and then because you are a part of it, therefore because you are listed on the platform, therefore you are paying a commission, and that's the form.
Absolutely. So only 8% people who apply on our platform actually get onboarded and get listed, right? Okay. उसके बाद भी we actually have a very strong screening after also they join, and the first conversations are at least like 20-30 कस्टमर्स फर्स्ट जो होते हैं, उस टाइम पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल्ड ऑडिट होता है टू फाइंड आउट कि जो सर ने बताया था वो एक्चुअली इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे. उस टाइम पे भी वी बेसिकली टेक एक्शन इफ वी फाइंड दैट द वर्ड्स एंड द एक्शंस आर नॉट मैचिंग.
अच्छा, so people get dropped at that point in time?
They get dropped even after they join also. Largely the reason could be that lot of people इंटरव्यू में बहुत कुछ बोल देंगे बट एक्चुअली होगा नहीं. तो हमारे लिए ये बहुत ही बड़ा प्रोसेस है दैट वी क्रिएट टू इंश्योर दैट कस्टमर को ये एडवाइज़र अगर हम दे रहे हैं तो हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो एडवाइज़र सही में अच्छा काम करे कस्टमर के लिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ी एक टाइप का बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करे, उसमें ऐसा ना हो जाए कि वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में एक नया प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर ले।
अब एक सिचुएशन लेते हैं कि जहाँ पे मैंने आके बेशक पे लॉगिन किया, डिटेल्स डाले, मुझे कुछ रिकमेंडेशन आया एंड देन आई गॉट कनेक्टेड टू एन एजेंट,
राइट।
अब मैंने पॉलिसी भी ले ली। अब 3 महीने 6 महीने साल भर बाद मेरे लाइफ में कुछ हुआ, मुझे क्लेम करना पड़ा, पर वो एजेंट ने बेशक छोड़ दिया है,
राइट।
अब वो एजेंट को मैं फ़ोन कर रहा हूँ, अब वो बोलता है कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल, अब क्या?
राइट। सो दोनों दो टाइप के सिनेरियोज है इसमें।
हाँ.
एक सिनेरियो जो आपने बोला, फर्स्ट वी विल टेक दैट सिनेरियो। सो द फर्स्ट सिनेरियो इज वेयर द एडवाइजर बेसिकली goes missing only, like he's not answering questions, he's ghosting you, right? In those scenarios basically Beshak will always be there, right? We will always ensure that you are taken care of, right? At the same time, because we have done so much of screening, we are very confident that the chance of this happening is pretty low, because हम career professionals ही ढूंढ रहे हैं जो लोग यही profession है उनका, like कोई part time में कर रहा है, कोई travel agent होते होते अगर ये कर रहा है, या कहीं पे जॉब करते करते ये कर रहा है, राइट? वैसे बहुत ही कम चांसेस है कि ऐसे एडवाइजर्स विल कम ऑन आवर प्लेटफॉर्म। वी आर लुकिंग एट पीपल जिनका करियर ये है, जिनका प्रोफेशन ये है। तो जैसे मैंने आपको एक सीए रेकमेंड कर दिया और फिर मेरा और वो सीए का रिलेशनशिप खराब हो गया, बट वो सीए का तो प्रोफेशन ही है, आपके साथ वो क्यों रिलेशनशिप खराब करेगा? सिमिलर सिचुएशन हैपेंस विद अस इज दैट इवन इफ देयर इज अ सर्टेन सिचुएशन दैट द एडवाइजर you are saying does not pick up your phone, we will take care of that. But in our view, the kind of advisors that we are screening and getting are people who are very serious about customer service, who are very serious about growing their profession, their practice, and that's why the chances of this happening are pretty low.
बट ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल आपके वेबसाइट पे जब मैंने डिटेल्स भरा,
राइट,
उसने मुझे कहा कि ए, बी और एक्स आप ले लो, दैट इज एज पर योर नीड्स। अब मैं वो इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजर से बात कर रहा हूँ,
राइट,
एक वीडियो कॉल कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज वो कहीं पे भी हो सकता है कंट्री में। अब वो बोल रहा है कि नहीं ठीक है, वो तो सॉफ्टवेयर है, सॉफ्टवेयर ने तो आपके पैरामीटर्स लिए और आपको बोल दिया ये ले लो।
करेक्ट।
बट मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि आपको ये नहीं लेना चाहिए, आपको लेना चाहिए ए, बी और एच, ये आपके लिए परफेक्ट है, प्लस जी तो साथ में ले ही लो, नहीं तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम है लाइफ में।
एब्सोल्युटली।
इन दिस सिनेरियो हु डू आई ट्रस्ट? बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बेशक फॉर मी इज एन एंटिटी,
राइट,
yes, but that person is real, he is talking to me. So who do I trust, and how does Beshak ensure that ये मिस सेलिंग या सेलिंग टू मेनी थिंग्स टू अ कस्टमर? बिकॉज क्या होता है कि इंडिया में ना लोग है ना प्रोफाइलिंग करते हैं, लोग क्या देखते हैं, किस तरीके का कपड़ा पहन के आया है, कौन सा फ़ोन रखा है टेबल पे, कैसी घड़ी पहनी है, गाड़ी की चाबी कैसी दिखती है, वो कैसे रखा है टेबल पे। अब उसको दिखता है कि सॉरी एक थोड़ा क्रूड वर्ड यूज़ करना चाहूँगा, बट जितना जैसा बकरा है अब तो आ गया हाथ में। करेक्ट। इसको मैं 10 चीज़ें, बेशक ने तो बोला है ए, बी और एक्स ले लो, नहीं भाई, अपन इसको A to Z सब दे देंगे लाइफ में। राइट। तो ये तो हो रहा है, ये तो बैकग्राउंड में। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसे तो आज आपके प्लेटफॉर्म के तो आज 500 लोग शायद वीडियो कॉल पे होंगे, बराबर है। हाउ डू यू एंश्योर दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग डजंट हैपन?
राइट। सो देयर आर टू एस्पेक्ट्स टू दिस, राइट। वन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस इज कि आई एम गिविंग अ क्लियर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन टू यू, राइट, कि दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सपोज्ड टू बाय। करेक्ट, राइट। यू आर हैविंग दैट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन इन योर हैंड,
जैसे डॉक्टर ने लिख के दिया,
ऐसे समझिए, अपने डॉक्टर ने लिख दिया। अब नाउ यू आर टेकिंग दैट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन एंड गोइंग टू एन एडवाइजर। टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट आपका भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि यू हैव गॉट समथिंग इन योर हैंड विच इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ अ मशीन और कमिंग आउट ऑफ समथिंग विच इज अ प्योर रिसर्च बेस्ड लाइक अ प्लेटफॉर्म। करेक्ट। You ensure that you get that, right? Because it is coming out of an uninfluenced platform which does not care about कि उसमें insurance company A लिखा है, B लिखा है, J लिखा है, D लिखा है, कुछ भी लिखा है। First thing is that always as a customer you need to be smart कि whatever you are getting is what the advisor is selling, right? Correct. That is what. The other aspects, how do we protect the customer, our side of the story, correct, is that we have a contract with the advisor, right? It is clearly mentioned that you cannot sell anything outside whatever has been recommended by us to our customers. Okay. That is something that we have. Now, this again can be breached. Like you just said that 200 calls are going on in a day, how will we come to know? So we have an audit system beyond this, where there is a strong audit that happens that finally what customer bought, does it match with what we had recommended? We do that audit. In that also, if we catch something, then there is a proper penalty that an advisor will have to pay. A lot of times we may, if that happens, we may also get the policy cancelled, right? That is also that we can do, because if it happens, but it's not happened, touch wood so far, but such kind of things also we do. So overall there are two aspects to this. One is that the customer should be little smart, that he's going through this process where he's solving two problems. One is getting the right product, he's getting the right advisor. He should basically, or she should be very careful that while they have got the right product, they are buying also the right product from the right advisor.
So मैं इसको एक एग्जांपल की तरह लेता हूँ. डॉक्टर के पास गया, उसने एक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिख के दी. मैं गया केमिस्ट के पास. अब केमिस्ट ने बोला कि हाँ मैं आपको दे देता हूँ, लेकिन ये 2 की जगह पे दूसरा और दे देता हूँ. काम सेम ही करता है.
एग्जैक्टली,
ये जनरली होता है. Exactly. अब मैं तो, मुझे क्या पता, वो केमिस्ट है, वो भी 20 साल से दुकान खोल के बैठा है.
करेक्ट.
तो मैं बोलूँगा हाँ ठीक है दे दो सर.
राइट.
नाउ इज देयर फॉर अ कस्टमर व्हेन ही गेट्स policy recommended by the agent, is there a way to connect with Beshak?
Yes.
Saying, you know what, ABX आपने बोला था, इन्होंने बोला ABX मत लो, ABH ले लो और G तो confirm लेना है.
Correct.
What do I do? Can they write to you?
Right. So at every stage that you are there with the at the advisor, every stage that you are there with the advisor, you have Beshak on WhatsApp with you.
Okay.
Right? There is a WhatsApp connect that will happen with you, and you are connected with Beshak. At any point in time, if you feel that the advisor is not doing the job right, or you are feeling that there is some kind of confusion, or you feel that there is some kind of vested interest that you can see, you simply have to type on the WhatsApp channel of Beshak and give that information to us and take a clarification, right? And we will ensure that we get the clarification. We also talk to the advisor, understand the whole scenario, and then come back to you. So that is definitely possible. So at any point in time, if you are feeling that things are not consistent with what we have said, then that should happen. Your example of pharmacy is a right example and a wrong example also. I'll tell you how it is a right example is absolutely. If a doctor has said X medicine and the pharmacy is supposed to give X medicine, if he is giving Y instead of X and saying that वैसे ही काम करता है, now it depends upon you whether you want to trust that person or not. यहाँ पे ऐसे ही काम करेगा actually because it's finally chemicals, right?
Correct.
It can work like that. But health insurance is not just a chemical composition, right? Health insurance has a track record कि claims कैसे pay कर देगा. अगर मेरे को मुझे लगता है कि एक specific insurance company का track record सही है, उसके product सही है, उसका ये ऐसे ये complex combination है of actual track record, product के features, claims के features and all that, right? It's not just a chemical composition of a product,
correct,
right? You're buying. So it cannot just say कि same काम करता है because same काम नहीं करेगा, right? दवा same काम कर सकती है, but not necessarily a health insurance correct. Same काम करेगा. So you should just not go by the word of an advisor saying that buy B instead of A. You can ask questions to the advisor. They are supposed to answer those questions. You can ask, verify it from Beshak also, and then you can take a call.
So, but don't you think maybe I'm sure you would be VC funded at this point in time. Don't you think the part to profitability would have been much easier? Maybe जैसे एक पॉलिसी बाजार है जो एग्रीगेटर है, yes? फिर एक डिजिट है जो खुद का ही इंश्योरेंस है बट पूरा ऑनलाइन उनका कॉन्सेप्ट है. Would it not be much more easier because at the end of the day you said you are for profit?
Correct.
Yes. ये जर्नी थोड़ी ज़्यादा ऐसे लंबी नहीं लग रही है.
Absolutely.
एंड कस्टमर को लगेगा यार इतना ये मुझे ये भी हेल्प कर रहा है, ये भी हेल्प कर रहा है, ये भी हेल्प कर रहा है, उसके बाद इसको पैसा मिल रहा है वर्सेस ये इधर ही पैसा ले सकता था.
करेक्ट. Yeah, but then the thing is that वही है. The first thing is absolutely right. This is a slightly slow process, right? But वही है, आपको क्या खाना है, मैकडॉनल्ड्स का बर्गर खाना है या आपको बिरयानी खानी है, right? There is a difference. What is your taste, right?
Correct.
The point is that whenever you want to get something that is going to impact your life for 40 years, it is worth spending one more hour on that, right? मतलब आप बोल रहे हो कि मुझे ऐसा प्रोडक्ट लेना है जिसका मैं 25,000 रुपये पे करूंगा फॉर 40 ईयर्स, बट मैं 2 घंटा ज़्यादा स्पेंड नहीं कर सकता हूँ, देन दैट इज अ कॉल यू आर टेकिंग.
नहीं,
इन आर व्यू
आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ बेशक एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, यस, because you come with almost 20 years of now experience in insurance. If you would have also opened up an aggregator kind of a platform and say, you know what, we are a better aggregator.
Right.
ऐसी generally products ऐसी बिकते हैं कि वो ये देता है, अब हम ये भी देते हैं, अब हम ये भी देते हैं, अब हम ये भी देते हैं. या वी सॉ एक्को के एड्स जो अभी चल रहे थे, यस, कि अरे क्या गाड़ी ले लिया तो स्टीयरिंग नहीं देगा और रेडियो ले लिया तो कैसेट नहीं देगा, वो चल रहे थे. सो दे आर अ बेटर इंश्योरेंस प्रोवाइडर एज कम्पेयर टू एनी. सो वुड इट फॉर मतलब थोड़ा काउंटर इंट्यूटिव इसके लिए लग रहा है कि ये प्रोसेस पार्ट टू प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी थोड़ी लंबी है,
राइट,
यस, एंड कंज्यूमर या मैं भी ये सोचूंगा इसके बारे में कि जब आदमी को पहले स्टेप पे पैसा मिल सकता था,
राइट
यस, तो वो इतने सारे स्टेप्स, इसका लॉन्ग टर्म आपके दिमाग में क्या थॉट प्रोसेस है
राइट. सो द
फॉर बेशक एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन?
हाँ, तो मैं बताता हूँ इसका बेसिक, अगर बिजनेस वाला फंडामेंटल की बात कर रहे हैं तो फाइनली एक एग्रीगेटर जो भी है, हम जिसकी भी नाम ले रहे हैं, पॉलिसी बाजार हो गया या जो भी होगा, उनके जो कन्वर्जन्स है, जो एक्चुअल कस्टमर्स आते हैं, जो खुद नंबर देते हैं, जो खुद ही बेसिकली बोलते हैं कि मुझे पॉलिसी चाहिए, और एक्चुअल जो कस्टमर्स पॉलिसी खरीदते हैं इज इन द रेंज ऑफ अराउंड 3 to 5%, राइट. तो नंबर ऑफ पीपल दैट कम इनटू द प्लेटफॉर्म एंड एक्चुअली एंड अप बाइंग इज दैट मच.
तो 100 लोग आएंगे तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 लोग या 5 लोग
5 लोग पॉलिसी actually end up buying, right? So what are you then doing, right? You are basically attracting so many people, right? And then ending up basically shooing them away, right? Saying that
Correct.
half of the customers, chalo, let's not take 5%, let's take 10% also, right? For the time being. Even then, why did the 90 people go? Why did they not buy? When you have all the products,
करेक्ट.
when you have a great brand, when you have everything, then why did the
जब वो
customer
90
not?
लोग को जरूरत भी है,
They have
वो
customer-
आए इसके लिए ना.
Exactly, it's
नहीं
not
तो-
cold calling के सर ले लो
हाँ, correct.
You
Credit
have
card
come
नहीं
and
है.
put your
हाँ,
phone
correct.
number. You have come and put your.
Correct.
Why
वो
are there
वेरीफाई भी
90
करता होता है, OTP भी आता है.
Exactly. So that was the question I had in my mind कि अभी तो 3% है,
हाँ.
5% है, ये जो लोग जा कहाँ रहे हैं? These other people, why are they not buying, right? So that what So what my insight was that there is a major problem with trust.
हाँ,
right?
correct.
There are two things that are happening. First is the product that is being recommended to me. First thing is that the product that is being sold to me, is it good for me or for the agent? That was not getting solved.
Correct.
When I was working in an aggregator before Beshak, I saw this on calls that customers were actually doubting the recommendation that is being given because फाइनली तो उसको मालूम है कि इसमें कमीशन इसको मिलने वाला है. तो ये मुझे क्या अलग कर रहा है कि जो मेरा बाजू वाला इंश्योरेंस अंकल या आंटी नहीं कर रही है. दे आर जस्ट ऑन अ फोन इन अ डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म बट डूइंग वॉट एवर माई नेबरहुड uncle is also doing.
Correct.
Right? So how is it different? They are not doing anything. Even if it is internet, they're doing exactly that only.
Absolutely.
And the second is, who is selling me the policy? The person who is selling me the policy is a fresher from a college.
हाँ, कॉल सेंटर एजेंट है.
उसने अभी तक इंश्योरेंस में कोई भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है in terms of how claims work, how insurance companies work. He has been given probably maximum training of 1 to 2 weeks.
हाँ, उसको एक Q&A के साथ रख दिया है. जैसे
Script
मैंने ना 7 दिन एक कॉल सेंटर में काम किया था मलाड मेरे लाइफ में. मेरा नाम सो ऑन द 7th डे दे टोल्ड मी कि यू विल बी कॉल्ड माइकल.
ओके.
एंड आई सेड मेरे को नहीं काम करना, मेरा नाम करण ही है. बट वो 7 दिन में उन्होंने क्वेश्चंस बताए थे.
करेक्ट.
कि इसका आंसर ये, इसका आंसर ये सबका आंसर होने के बाद भी अगर क्वेरी है तो आप सुपरवाइजर को ट्रांसफर कर दो.
करेक्ट.
सो आई थिंक व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज कि वहाँ पे इस तरीके से ही लोग बैठे हुए हैं.
So when a customer is coming in, he is neither getting a confidence that the product is being sold is for his interest.
हाँ.
He is not able to talk to someone who is also experienced enough or credible enough from whom they can trust and depend and take a decision. That is why these 95% people are going away, right? Is my insight, right? My insight is that customer wanted to come कि भाई एक democratic platform हो जहाँ पे everything is listed very clearly.
Correct.
I am given a recommendation for my interest. Then I get to talk to someone who makes sense, who actually has seen claims.
Correct.
Right? That is what we try to make with Beshak. कि first thing is that मेरे interest में मुझे product recommend हो. Second is जिससे मैं बात करूँ उसने actually claims देखे हैं लाइफ में, उसने disputes देखे हैं, उसने actually ombudsman में जाके cases fight किए, ना कि someone who is just a fresher who has 2 weeks of experience and reading a script. Right? So we wanted to solve this problem. I absolutely agree with you that it is a very, very tough path that we have taken. But the point is that what is the whole beauty of trying to make something which has already been made, right? मैं उसको थोड़ा ठीक ठाक कर दूंगा, मैं उसमें we would add a couple of features. That is what I tried to do with CoverFox in the previous company that I was working with. But gradually we saw that it's my entire vision that things got diluted. In my view, as a distributor, I saw that model basically is something where I may be customer centric as a distributor, but the model which is of commissions and relationship with insurance companies will ensure that you will gradually dilute your values. It's very, very difficult to be able to continue being objective towards only customers' interest and not look at the interest of the commission's interest or the interest of the insurance company. Because they keep coming and meeting you. राइट?
I'm sure
हर
आपको
वीक
रोज,
आपको
हाँ,
लंच मीटिंग हो रही है, हर वीक आपको आके रिव्यूज हो रहे हैं, आपको एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाया जाता है, सर ये देखो आपका कॉम्पिटिटर इतना बिजनेस कर रहा है, इतने राइडर्स बेच रहा है,
हाँ।
आप नहीं बेच रहे हो सर, आपका राइडर इनटेक है ना बहुत पुअर है सर, आपका राइडर अपटेक बहुत पुअर है, आप है ना ये वाली पॉलिसी है जिसमें कमीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है वो नहीं बेच रहे सर, आप आपको ये बताया जाता है बताया जाता है बताया जाता है,
I'm sure
and you keep
बेशक को भी
changing.
काफ़ी कॉल्स आते होंगे नॉन स्टॉप कि आप क्यों नहीं आपके एजेंट्स, आपके जो भी एजेंट्स लिस्टेड है आपके साथ,
राइट
आप उनका एक सेमिनार रख दीजिए, हम आके
Right.
हमारी पॉलिसी बताते हैं उनको.
Right.
आई एम श्योर ऐसा, बिकॉज
Right.
उनका काम है बेचना.
yeah so we get calls of various kinds.
हाँ.
हमको कॉल ये भी आता है कि हो कौन आप, क्यों कर रहे हो आप ये सब, ये वाले कॉल्स भी
अच्छा.
आए. हाँ हाँ मतलब देर आर थ्रेटनिंग कॉल्स ऑल्सो दैट वी हैव गॉट व्हेन वी फर्स्ट रिलीज आवर रेटिंग्स. वी गॉट अ कॉल वेयर वी वर ऑन अ कॉन कॉल विथ Mint, who we have partnered with on ratings, and the call started with saying, "Who are you guys? Why are you rating us negative? And who gave you this right to do that?" So I answered the question saying that if we are nobody, why are you calling us? Right? Don't call us. Keep the phone down. So that is those kind of calls also come. Then there are some good insurance companies who want to learn from our insights. They feel that we are doing a good job. They come and basically have sat with us. There are chief product officers of insurance companies who have come with proper detailed understanding of what we have written with markings on iPad saying that sir आपने ये लिखा है लेकिन इसका meaning ये है उसका meaning. So that has also happened. And then there are insurance companies who have called and said कि sir marketing tie up कर लेते sir, हमको लिंक दे दीजिए, हमारे आपके वेबसाइट पे लिंक दे दीजिए, एंड देन बेस्ड ऑन दैट लिंक व्हाटएवर सेल्स हैपन वी विल गिव यू मनी. एंड ऑब्वियसली वी हैव रिफ्यूज्ड. We would have got at least 8 or 9 such offers right so far where they have said that why don't you write something good about us, why don't you do a video about us, why don't you do a post where you review our product but obviously send us the review before you post it. Right, those kind of things. आप लिंक दे दीजिए सर, ट्रैफिक कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं हमारी वेबसाइट में. All these things come to us. We are saying no to all this, and honestly this is the big money in the industry which we are saying no to.
So as a consumer, you know,
Right.
that the question that comes to my mind is,
Right.
At least I would want to see such a company succeed in the long term. Yes. So but वही कि हमारे दिमाग में वही आता है कि is this company मतलब क्या इतना पार्ट टू प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडिया में पॉसिबल है?
Correct.
बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट कट थ्रोट मार्केट दैट वी आर वर्किंग इन, राइट? आप नीचे भाजी भी लेने जा रहे हो तो वो एक एक रुपये एक दूसरे को काट काट के बेच रहे.
Correct.
सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, लेट्स से 10 years down the line, yes, where do you see बेशक to be?
Right. So the first question that you asked is basically that path to profitability, which is basically कि यार ये जो तुम कर रहे हो उसमें इतना पैसा बनेगा कि तुम कभी एग्जिस्ट कर पाओगे? Will you even exist after some years? This is a very valid question. There is nothing wrong with this question. The only answer to this question is that we feel that if you do right, you will basically ensure that you are able to create a platform where a lot of people will come to learn about insurance, to get the truth about insurance, and then while they do it, we will so obviously make a money out of it, right? तो दो टाइप के हाईवेज है. एक हाईवे है जिसमें बहुत सारा चोरी हो रही है, चीटिंग हो रही है, बट बहुत स्मूथ है अभी करंटली, राइट? और आप वो हाईवे से जाने के लिए रेडी हो, उसमें शायद आप जल्दी पहुंच जाओगे, ऐसा शायद है, बट उसमें ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपका कोई टायर पंचर कर दे, चाहे आपका कोई चोरी हो जाए. एक वो वाला है. और एक दूसरा रास्ता है जो बहुत लंबा है, शायद जो हमने बनाया था, थोड़ा लंबा है, बहुत तो लंबा नहीं है पर थोड़ा लंबा है, बट वहाँ पे आपको कोई चीट नहीं करेगा. वी फील, इट्स आवर बिलीफ that there is a good percentage of customers who want this experience.
Because you saying no, 95 लोग अगर चले जाते हैं वेबसाइट पे, पॉलिसी बाजार पे, अगर कोई भी वेबसाइट पे मैं जाता हूँ तो पहले तो नाम नंबर मांगते हैं, फिर वो OTP आता है, मैं वेरीफाई करता हूँ, तो इट्स अ वैलिड यूजर requested call that comes to me.
Correct.
And you're saying 95, at least 90% of people shy away.
Let's go take it 90 also. That is the opportunity we feel that 90% is the problem that nobody is solving. Everybody is chasing that 10%.
10%.
We are saying that let's chase the 90%. Correct. And even out of the 90%, अगर मैंने 20% का भी solve कर दिया, still it is a very big number compared to the 10%, right? So that is the whole idea. The idea is let's solve the problem of a very large market of people who are coming online to get very very democratized good quality advice and talk to very very good quality people. Both they are not getting. How can we offer that?
Correct. And the second part of the question is 10 years down the line,
right.
Yes, where do you see Beshak?
Yeah, so the idea of Beshak has always been that how do we bring the right truth and advice to the customer,
Huh.
and then help them connect with the right kind of resources and experts.
Mahavir, in the next 10, 15, 20, 30, 40
Yeah.
years, and I'm sure you're building a company for legacy, for ages,
Right.
yes? Where do you see Beshak.org in the customer's life?
Right. So, as a company, the goal that we have is that every customer is looking for a lens, right, or is looking for a filter which will help them make sense of all the choices that they need to make in life, right? In the finance world, products are extremely complicated, right? We want to be a platform where the customer can come and without having to worry about vested interest कि भाई इसको कुछ मिल रहा है, इसको कुछ ये जो बता रहा है इसमें there is something that he is earning. How can we give them a crystal clear view about the products that they need to buy? Whether that is insurance that we have started with, or whether it's any other financial product that a customer needs to buy in their life, we should be that place where the customer does not have to worry कि मुझे ये जो बता रहे हैं उसमें उनका कुछ interest है before they are selling me a product or telling me a product.
Product in the sense,
It
example?
could be any product. It could be probably, let's say, fixed deposits. It could be mutual funds.
Oh,
it
acha.
could be it could be a credit card, right? That I want to buy. Now, whoever is giving you a credit card, if I'm going to a website which is a credit card aggregator, they are giving you, selling you a credit card. Again, that vested interest does come into place. I'll give you a very simple example, right? And this example is one of the places where the thought of Beshak got seeded. I was looking for an antivirus, right? And I went to internet and I searched for best antivirus in 2020. Suppose अगर मैं 2020 में हूँ, and there were a list of websites that came in. I clicked each website, and every website, because we are smart, थोड़ा better smart than a lot of maybe gullible customers. When I saw the website, I came to know that भाई इसमें तो links है और ये सब affiliate links है.
हाँ.
तो मैं वो बंद किया, मैं दूसरी वेबसाइट पे गया. वेबसाइट के नाम ही ऐसे है, बेस्ट एंटीवायरस, बेस्ट एंटी पायरेसी वेबसाइट,
हाँ.
ऐसे वेबसाइट्स बने
हाँ,
हुए हैं.
हाँ.
जो भी वेबसाइट क्लिक करो, अंदर जाओ, सारे लिंक्स क्लिक करो तो आपको दिख रहा है अफिलिएट लिंक है, इससे उसको आपको पता चला है कि इसमें इसको कमीशन मिल रहा है. तो एवरीबडी इज बेसिकली दोज काइंड ऑफ वेबसाइट. इवन टुडे यू ट्राई, यू विल सी ओनली दोज काइंड ऑफ वेबसाइट्स.
हाँ.
नाउ आई फाउंड दैट ये तो कुछ तो नहीं है भाई, इसमें तो किसी को भी ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकता.
Correct.
So then I said, okay, let me go to Twitter. I am slightly active on Twitter. I went and asked questions, right? Okay, which antivirus to buy? You know what the answer was? You don't need an antivirus.
Huh?
Yes, and I couldn't get it on Google. The answer from a very, very good expert who was there on Twitter, someone tagged that person saying that, bhai, you answer this question, you are an expert in cyber security. He said there is no need for an antivirus. अभी विंडोज़ और मैक दोनों ने इतना उनका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बना दिया है कि यू डोंट नीड एन एंटीवायरस. द डिफेंडर इन विंडोज़ और द प्रोटेक्शन दैट iOS gives you or the OS gives you is good enough as an antivirus, right? That was the answer to this question. Would you have got this on Google? Never. So how do you get to the truth? Is the problem that we wanted to solve. अब वो वेबसाइट तो नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि वो वेबसाइट को तो लिंक पे पैसा मिल रहा है, क्लिक पे पैसा मिल रहा है, कन्वर्जन पे पैसा मिल रहा है.
एडवाइस का थोड़ी पैसा मिल रहा है.
और आप हर बार हर चीज़ के लिए ट्विटर पे जाके क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ सकते हो. जैसे ये तो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन का आंसर था कि मुझे बहुत लोग कम एंड आस्क विच इज़ द बेस्ट हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस टू बाय. द आंसर कैन नॉट बी गिवन ऑन ट्विटर से आस्किंग देम 10 क्वेश्चंस एंड देन ट्राइंग टू आंसर दैट. दैट्स व्हाई क्रिएट अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू कैन कम, get your answers, get your information, get your experts without having to be worried कि आपको कोई चीट करेगा, आपको कोई कमीशन के लिए कुछ भी बेच देगा.
Correct. So what we are trying to say is that Beshak.org is going to become a part of the customer's life,
Right.
And is going to be that hand-holding friend.
Absolutely.
When it comes to financial planning. It
Yes.
could be mutual funds.
Yes.
It could be FDs. It could be insurance. We have
Right.
started with insurance
Yes.
because is there a larger problem in insurance in this country?
Yeah, meaning, see, if you see other products में, there is still a good amount of information that is available. Mutual fund में, if you want to know very, very objective information about mutual funds, a good number of people have solved it, right? To a certain extent, it is solved. Health insurance is a product where we saw is that every information that is available, if you just Google for health insurance, every website that was available was only giving information to sell that product to you. Right? Even today it is the case. And I'm not saying this because I'm sitting in Beshak and I'm the founder of Beshak. But apart from Beshak, all the other websites that you're seeing on the platform are selling you that product. There is nobody who's telling you, giving you advice that आपको जैसे मैंने बताया कि आपको एंटीवायरस नहीं चाहिए. There is no website in the country which will tell you आपको इंश्योरेंस नहीं चाहिए. Beshak पे if you come and you put information about, let's say, Mukesh Ambani,
हाँ,
right? You put the details about Mukesh Ambani in the term insurance section of our platform, recommendation engine. It will tell you, sir, you don't need term insurance.
हाँ, भाई,
It
आपका-
will tell you that.
आपका नेटवर्क इतना है कि
Exactly, but you go and put it on any other insurance company's website. It is not going to tell you. It will say, sir, you need 1,000 crores of insurance. But actually, it doesn't need any insurance. Why does a Mukesh Ambani can insure an insurance company, right? So, but it's not coming out to be that way.
Correct.
So मुझे बेचना है तो मैं कुछ भी बेच दूंगा. मैं आपके घर पे आया और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे को है ना मतलब कुछ सॉल्व करना है, उसका सोल्यूशन मेरे घर में ही है, बट मैं आपको कुछ बेच रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
Is not right. So that is what we wanted to be. कि you come to our website, don't worry about someone cheating you, right? हाँ रे, इंडिया में there is something called a मुसाफिर खाना, बॉम्बे में है मुसाफिर खाना करके एक एरिया है. वहाँ पे अगर आपको जाना है तो आप ऐसे किसी के साथ जाना है जो जानकार है.
करेक्ट.
आप अकेले जाओगे तो आपका जेब भी कट सकता है.
हाँ, correct.
आपको कोई गलत प्रोडक्ट भी बेच सकता है, बॉक्स में डाल के आपको दिखाएगा कुछ, घर पे जाके देखोगे तो होगा. तो यू नीड समवन विद यू.
जूते अगर ईट आ जाएगी घर पे पहुंचोगे.
एग्जैक्टली. तो इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री एक मुसाफिर खाना है.
मुसाफिर खाना.
और बेशक वो दोस्त है जो आपको साथ में लेके जाएगा वो मुसाफिर खाना में कि भाई ये ले, ये मत ले, ये दुकान सही नहीं है, इस दुकान में गलत माल बिकता है, ये जगह से ले और खोल के देख, ऐसे देखना है, अभी देख लिया, उसको बंद कर और अब मेरे साथ वापस चल, जेब नहीं कटेगी. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग.
एक क्वेश्चन अभी दिमाग में आ रहा है, सॉरी थोड़ा आपको शायद रूड भी लग जाए, बट अगर मैं पॉलिसी बाजार की वेबसाइट पे जाता हूँ, यस, एंड मैं लिखता हूँ कि ये एज है और ये है, ये है, ये है, अब मेरे को टर्म इंश्योरेंस दिखा दो, तो वो लोग दिखेंगे HDFC लाइफ, ICICI, SBI लाइफ इंश्योरेंस. आपके इधर आऊँगा तो आप भी यही ब्रांड्स दिखाने वाले हो, तो फिर मैं उनसे क्यों ना ले लूँ, जबकि मुझे शायद 2-4% सस्ता मिल जाएगा.
करेक्ट.
तो आइडियली एज अ कस्टमर मैं 2-4% तो ऐसे सोचूंगा ना कि इस साल अगर 5,000 बच रहे हैं तो अगले 40 साल 5,000 बचने वाले हैं, तो 2 लाख रुपए बच गए. तो देन व्हाई शुड आई कम टू beshak.org?
So there are three major differences, right, that you need to understand. First is that all products are not listed on aggregator platforms. Aggregators first need to do an agreement with that insurance company and only then get listed on the platform.
Oh, okay.
सारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे सारे प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है, right? Like we spoke about Ditto. Ditto has around 3 or 4 insurance companies that they list on their platform. The remaining 15-16 insurance companies are not listed on their platform. Policy Bazaar also has a lot of insurance companies on their platform, but there would be certain insurance companies that don't work with Policy Bazaar, or Policy Bazaar does not work with those insurance companies, right?
Okay.
So first of all, because we are not a distributor, we are a website which is giving information and research. We show all products, right? That is a major difference, right? कि आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मिल रहे हैं, आपको पूरा यूनिवर्स तो दिखना चाहिए ना पहले कि ये अवेलेबल है. वो ही
बास्किन रॉबिन जाऊं तो मुझे ऐसे 31 फ्लेवर दिखने चाहिए ना
वो
सामने.
पूरा दिखना चाहिए.
बाद में मैं डिसाइड करूं कि क्या टेस्ट करना है क्या नहीं.
First of all, you get to see the entire universe with Beshak, which you don't probably get to see with other platforms. That is the first difference. This is also something that we wanted to bring with Beshak, and we solved that problem. The second is recommendations.
तो अगर एक एग्रीगेटर का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बना है वो कंपनी के साथ, वो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के साथ, वो स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट के लिए,
करेक्ट,
तो ही वो लिस्ट करेगा, नहीं तो वो लिस्ट भी नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज उसको कमीशन मिलने नहीं वाला है.
Yes.
तो वो क्यों दिखाए उसको?
यस,
जबकि वो शायद मेरे लिए ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल हो सकता है,
करेक्ट,
बट बिकॉज मेरा टाइप नहीं है तो मेरी दुकान में वो माल अवेलेबल ही नहीं है.
राइट. तो सेकंड जो पॉइंट है वो ये है कि एवरी इंश्योरेंस प्लेटफॉर्म इज नॉट गिविंग यू recommendations. They are giving you something which is called a comparison list, right? आप basically वो platform पे you go and you are seeing a long list of plans and you are seeing a comparison of those plans. And आपको खुद को समझ के वो लेना है.
Correct.
We give you a recommendation tool where you come, you answer questions and basis your requirements, there is a product and a full configuration of the product that is given to you. Like I gave you an example, right? कि if a Mukesh Ambani comes and says that I want term insurance, it will say you don't need term insurance.
Correct.
But if you come and say you need a term insurance, it will tell you exactly what cover you should buy, how much riders you should take, what kind of customizations you should do, and what plans match this prescription. That also we'll give you. What you see is going to be very different from what I will see. So let's say if there is a 5 years difference between the two of us, I will see something very different, you will see something very different. But if you go on most of the insurance platforms that exist, you will see the same thing, right?
Okay.
So that customization that customers need कि भाई मेरे लिए बताओ क्या चाहिए is not available with most platforms.
And there is this one more habit, you know, at least मुझे तो है ये habit as a customer. हम लोग है ना वहाँ पे जो एक सॉर्ट रहता है, सॉर्ट बाय लो टू हाई कॉस्ट.
करेक्ट.
यस, एक बार आ गया रिकमेंडेशंस, उसके बाद हम लोग उसको जाके सॉर्ट बाय लो टू हाई करते हैं.
करेक्ट.
इज दैट अ राइट फॉर्मेट?
Not really. I mean, in insurance buying, according to price could be the biggest trap, right? Meaning, what are you trying to solve first? Meaning you're not buying a product for 1 days or 2 days का
Correct.
चीज़ कि मैंने कुछ ऐसा खरीदा जो I'm going to throw off tomorrow.
हाँ.
You are actually buying something for 25 years, right? I would consider this the most complicated decision that you will take after your decision of marrying someone.
हाँ.
राइट उतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डिसीजन है,
Correct.
मतलब मे बी एग्जैजरेटिंग, बट उतना बड़ा डिसीजन है कि आप ये
Correct.
प्रोडक्ट लोगे, आप उसके साथ ही रहना है आपको,
हाँ.
आपको वही प्रोडक्ट का जो भी खर्चा है वो उठाना है, और इतना आसान नहीं है एग्जिट करना फ्रॉम अ प्रोडक्ट लाइक हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस और टर्म इंश्योरेंस. Although a lot of people say it is easy, it is not easy once you have a disease, once you grow old,
Correct.
right? So you are taking a decision where you are locked in for a long period of time. There are a lot of large, there are a lot of experts, like very very big experts, who say that when you are taking a long term decision,
हाँ.
you should go slow. When you are taking a short term decision, you should probably go fast, right?
हाँ.
तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा लॉन्ग टर्म, ये तो अल्ट्रा लॉन्ग टर्म
Ultra long
डिसीजन
term
है. सो व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग सच डिसीजंस, डोंट गो बाय प्राइस, डोंट गो बाय वन मेट्रिक. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द होल गेम कि आप ये 20 साल के लिए खरीद रहे हो, अभी आपने कुछ सस्ता ले लिया, बट इन द लॉन्ग रन इट इज गोइंग टू not work for you, then what will you do?
Correct.
If it is an insurance company which has just started 2 years ago and giving something out of the world feature, right? Should you buy it, or you should buy from a company which is 20 years experience?
Correct.
Or should you buy from a company which is 10 year experience, जो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा दे रहा है, सब कुछ अच्छा दे रहा है, but claims में इतना खास नहीं है.
खास नहीं.
All these things are something that you need to take care and not just sort by price.
So I think this is the point number 3 where Beshak steps in and talks about or guides you through this,
Right.
rather than buying on price या वो एक
Yeah.
claim settlement ratio जो साइड में लिखा रहता है,
Correct.
जिसका एक्चुअली लास्ट टाइम हमने डिस्कस किया था, ये
Right.
कोई वैल्यू नहीं है
So,
उसका.
हाँ, this is part of point 2 only.
अच्छा, okay.
Point 3 is the expert that we bring into picture, right? Point 3 is that whenever you're talking to any other platform, you are talking to people who are freshers from college, graduates from college, and these are people who are trained for, let's say, between 1 week to 2 months, right, on insurance, and then brought on the platform to speak to you. Versus us, you are speaking to people who have minimum 5 years of experience,
Correct.
who go through the rigorous things that we mentioned, which is from product test to basically first round of screening and then an interview, and then come on our platform. So when you are talking to someone who really knows insurance, who knows the every aspect of how insurance works, how claims work, that is the other big difference that we are bringing to you compared to a fresher जिसको 2 महीने पहले इंश्योरेंस क्या है वो मालूम नहीं था.
सो महावीर, एक क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आ रहा था जब आप ये सब बातें कर रहे थे कि एक तो है कि एजेंट छोड़ के चला गया या उसके अंदर XYZ चीज़, जिसका आपने आंसर दिया कि बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग विद करियर प्रोफेशनल्स, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इफ दैट पर्सन, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल द एजेंट इज 50 years old राइट नाउ, ही इज वर्किंग फॉर 25-30 years इन दिस इंडस्ट्री एंड आई एम 40 एंड मैंने अभी इंश्योरेंस उनसे ले लिया है, अब वो शायद भगवान न करे उनको कुछ हो गया, वो एक्सपायर हो गए, तो अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ?
एब्सोल्युटली, ये बहुत ही वैलिड क्वेश्चन है, एंड दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन दैट honestly when we discuss internally, this is a question that we also want an answer to. To be very honest, immediate answer we don't have, right?
Okay.
The only thing that we are seeing as an answer is a community answer to this question, where we are creating a very very large community of experts who are very well meaning, right? People who want to do good work, right? So in a situation where a advisor retires, can there be a kind of a model where he can or she can give this business as a service provider to another younger agent to manage,
Okay.
right? And maybe charge that agent charges a fee, right? Something like
Correct.
this. So such kind of models are something that we are discussing internally, talking about it, brainstorming. But this is a very genuine question. Okay, what happens when you are talking about a 40-year policy, 30-year policy, and between when you are talking an expert is such an important part of the entire going to be मतलब claim के time पे, policy portability के time पे, बहुत जगह पे, what happens if the advisor is not there? So we are trying to contemplate on this, discuss this, to try to find out what are the different kind of solutions that can be brought into this. Right now, to be very honest, immediate answer is, as a community, as an overall well-meaning group of people that we are, we want to solve this as a group. That is the current 50 to 70% answer that I can give you today.
Correct.
But formalized, institutionalized answer अभी currently नहीं है. We will figure it out very very soon.
Yes. अब एक और चीज़ दिमाग में आता है इसके अंदर, जब इंश्योरेंस लेना होता है एजेंट्स के थ्रू हम लोग लेते हैं एंड एवरीथिंग, जनरली हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं कि दैट एजेंट इज मे बी इन द सेम सिटी if not in the same building or anything,
Correct.
but at least in the same city. कि कल सुबह claim आया, अब वो claim में 50 फॉर्म भरने हैं.
Correct.
अब when I log on to beshak.org, can I make a request saying I want somebody from the same city? Because otherwise, अगर for example, if I get matched to a insurance agent who is in Delhi or who is in Bangalore, who is in Hyderabad,
Correct.
अब जब क्लेम आया तो वो मुझे ऑनलाइन गाइड कर रहा है या मैं उसको फॉर्म्स कुरियर कर रहा हूँ, वो भर के भेज रहा है, तो इट बिकम्स टू मच ऑफ अ हैसल. सो is there an option on the platform today?
Very valid question, and a lot of people ask this question to us, that why cannot I get a advisor in my same city, right?
Correct.
The answer to this question is honestly that you don't actually need now an advisor in your own city. Like for example, I give a very interesting case that let's say if I have to now look at buying a mutual fund, or I want to do an additional SIP, and if I call my advisor who's just 3 blocks away from me, like मेरे building में रहता है या मेरे society में he stays, if I call and tell them, can you come to my home and let's fill some forms and get I need to do an additional SIP, or I want to withdraw money, they are just going to send me a link. They said I don't need to come, I'm right now traveling, I'm going somewhere, मैं आपको लिंक भेजता हूँ and you can just do that transaction on your own. Similarly in insurance also a lot of work can happen remotely, right? आपके जो भी documents है आपको verify करवाने हैं तो आप उसका clearly एक scan निकाल सकते हैं. You can take the scan and send it to the advisor. They can check the documents. One courier maybe you'll have to do if it's a reimbursement claim, so that the advisor does it on your behalf. पर उसको छोड़ के एक स्कैन कॉपी ईमेल करना, व्हाट्सएप करना,
बहुत कॉमन,
और प्रॉब्ली एक जूम कॉल पे आके बता देना सब कुछ.
करेक्ट.
और बेसिकली एक कुरियर करना शायद इन केस ऑफ रीइंबर्समेंट क्लेम इज द ओनली एफर्ट दैट यू हैव टू डू, बट यू विल गेट अ गुड एक्सपर्ट ऑन योर हैंड.
करेक्ट.
Versus someone who's living in your building but does not know claims, versus someone who does not have product knowledge and you're buying something from someone who basically जब claim आएगा तभी आपको घर आ जाएगा but claim पास नहीं होगा आपका, तो point क्या होगा? तो that's a trade off that we are doing.
Correct.
कि get an expert even if he is not in your city, but someone who will actually be able to help. Probably थोड़ा friction होगा in terms of कि आपको courier करना है, scan करना है, ये करना है, versus someone who is maybe in your building but not actually capable of taking care of you.
Correct. So I would want to end this in a format where I want you to tell the users, yes, and everybody who's watching, that what are the 3 points or 3 kinds of people, yeah, that should not come on beshak.org.
Okay.
Yeah, because क्या है कि आज के तारीख में ये कोई नहीं बोलता.
Right.
सब लोग बोलते हैं हाँ सब लोग आओ, बस मैंने दुकान खोली है, सब लोग लेके जाओ.
Right.
Yes, what are the 3 kinds of people? जैसे आपने एक मेरा क्वेरी सॉल्व किया था कि as पता नहीं इंडियंस वी आर यूज्ड टू दैट फॉर्मेट कि sort by price low to, at least I am used to. I don't want to speak for entire India.
Correct.
But I am used to that format. When I go, I will say tennis के shoes लेने हैं, for example, Flipkart से लेता हूँ, तो जाता हूँ फिर उसको ऐसे क्लिक करता हूँ. Adidas is the preferable brand. बट देखता हूँ हमेशा की सो Adidas के नीचे नहीं जाता, बट वो Adidas मेरे को हाँ उसके अंदर कोई डिजाइन अलग मिल गया, ठीक है. सो आई जस्ट वांट यू टू से व्हाट आर द 3 काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल दैट यू वुड से नहीं भाई साहब आप तो हमसे ना हो पाए.
So the first thing that comes into my mind is someone who does not care, right? Someone who's saying that दे दो यार जो भी देना है, मुझे जल्दी है, right? I don't think someone like that can ever come on Beshak because we would like to do a very careful job, right? And someone who is in a hurry कि कैसा भी दे दो, जो भी है दे दो, we will not be able to attend to that person, right? So proposal form भी नहीं भरना है, मुझे I don't want to see anything, मुझे just जल्दी है दे दो. दूसरा है जिसको अनलिमिटेड टाइम है, वो भी नहीं में काम कर सकता है बिकॉज वो कहीं पे भी एक लीप ऑफ फेथ नहीं ले पा रहा है कि ठीक है एक बेशक करके प्लेटफॉर्म है विच इज़ बेसिकली ओके प्रोवाइडिंग अ वेरी जेन्युइन वेल मीनिंग रिसर्च विच विल हेल्प यू डिसाइड. उसके बावजूद भी देर कुड बी हंड्रेड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट यू कुड आस्क, मे बी वी डोंट हैव एन आंसर टू दैट. और समवन हु सेइंग दैट नहीं ये एक्सपर्ट है बट ये एक्सपर्ट देयर आर टू मेनी क्वेश्चंस दैट द पर्सन हैज हु इज नॉट एबल टू ट्रस्ट एनीबडी, राइट? I don't think that also is someone whom we can cater to. Correct. I have done this. Like we've had a recent case where there was a customer who sent us 40 questions on email saying that ये 40 questions answer करो तो मैं policy खरीदूँगा. तो I was that time the Beshak was very young, so I picked up the phone and told to the customer that sir आप है ना 2 साल के बाद भी policy नहीं खरीद पाओगे. आप नहीं खरीद पाओगे. तो उसने बोला क्यों नहीं खरीद पाओगे? बोला सर जिसको इतने questions है ना वो ट्रस्ट ही नहीं कर पाएगा सर. Finally, you will have to buy a policy. You buy from anywhere, sir. It's not necessary you buy from us. You cover your family well. That is more important. We getting 2,000 rupees is not important. But someone who is basically there to just prick and try to get too much of juice also is someone I don't think we can cater to.
Correct.
We are looking at someone who is careful and also someone who finally can trust. Right?
And who's conscious about his decisions.
Yes, who's conscious but not endlessly cannot trust anybody. So I think most of the people fall into that bracket where they are worried about what they are buying. At the same time, they want to find someone whom they can depend on. के भाई मैं समझ गया तू right person है, अब तू बता क्या खरीदना है. So those people are the positive that we think we can cater to, and then the other people probably we are not capable to basically cater to, which is someone who's in a hurry or someone who has too much of time and is someone who's just researching, and the purpose is research and not buying policy.
Buying policy. Okay, okay. So Abhi, I'm sure that the amount of questions that we have answered, after seeing this podcast, a lot of you will write a lot of comments and post more questions to us, and we will, you know, on all the podcast series that we are doing with Mahavir, we'll try and keep answering them. But I have one sincere request. Okay? Out of these 5 podcasts that we have done, I have understood one thing, that the stupidest thing that you can do in your life is to delay a decision in taking an insurance. And this comes from a person who lost his dad at the age of 3.5 years, and life has been very different after that. So my sincere request is, each one of you, don't be this stupid, क्योंकि आज इंडिया में हम लोग iPhone EMI पे तो 100% लेना चाहते हैं, लेकिन इंश्योरेंस के लिए ओ हो. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next podcast, and of course Mahavir is going to be there with us. Take care, bye bye, have a great day and stay safe.